the Faculty of Social and Political Sciences, University of Lampung, was established in 1983. Implementing the three dharma of higher education is supported through best competence with high integrity and knowledgeable graduates that contributing scientific expertise for national development and enhancing competitiveness at the local, national, and international levels. Fisip UNILA collaborates with various stakeholders such as with the government, academic institutions, industry, and non-governmental organizations in implementing research, science, technology, and innovation. Fisip UNILA offers various program studies which consists of 3 diploma programs, 6 undergraduate programs, 3 master programs, and a doctoral program. Considering sustainable collaboration as a collective policy with the mission to influence politics and decision-making to improve future generations. Fisip UNILA helps educate quality learning facilities such as hybrid study rooms, smart rooms, laboratories, reading rooms, co-working spaces, and comfortable academic surface areas with excellent services. Fisip UNILA continues to synergize and innovate harmoniously for prospering the country.